Hey there, this is Decathlon Quechua tent. Today we will show you, this one is fresh and black, so we will show you how you will install this one like this. So let's start. Alright, yeah, you have to like this, then you have to remove this bag from inside. This one you have to keep another side. Just pull this bag. And you have to open this one like this. Yeah. Then you have to remove the sticks from there. You will get 2 sticks inside. And you have to install the sticks like this. So he's showing you the sticks. And this one is separate one. Oh my god, these all sticks are broken. Just kidding, it's not. We have to install this one properly. I'll show you. Like this, yeah. In the same way you have to do like this. Like this. Then you have to insert the first edge inside this one here, like this. And the same other side, you have to bend the stick like this. You have to bend and then you have to insert here. Yeah, exactly like this. And then these hooks, you have to insert the hooks here. Yeah, it's too easy to install. It's not a big deal. All right, your one side is ready. Then you have to leave this one, and you can, one person can hold this one from here. Then you have to join the another stick exactly like this, like this, yeah, like this, and this, and you will see there's a one thread inside. It's a flexible, yeah, like this. It's a flexible. There's a one thread inside that is also a small thin rope, also a flexible. Then you have to bend it like this from this side. Lock all the hooks properly. Then pull the tent little bit and then insert the hook inside this hole like this. Okay, and this is your entrance. You can pull this jeep like this. Oh my gosh, you can see inside. This for I think this is comfortable for 3 person. Now we will close this one, and I will show you the another thing. This is your, this is waterproof. We'll put this one on top like this. This is, as I show you, fresh and black Decathlon Quechua. And remember, when you put this one on the top, this jeep should be in your entrance. As I show you, my entrance is here, so this jeep should be here, like this. Okay, just pull it nicely like this. Yeah. Now you can open this jeep, and then you have to open the another one. Yeah, remove the sheet like this. Here we go. This is our Decathlon black, fresh black tent, and I will show you from inside. Later on I will show you the more things. Just a minute, hold, I will show you later. Okay, all right. And from here you have the small windows. Just pull these one and you can say hi from here. All right, so I'll close. You will get 2 windows. Okay, bulb you can hang here. All right, and this red stick, you have to, it's flexible. Let me show you. Yeah, it's flexible. I forgot to show you this one. You have to put here. I'll show you later. This one you have to fix this one before this sheet. Okay, I'll show you just a minute. And this one you have to fix from here like this, and from other side also here exactly like this. It's perfect. Like this you can do. And I will show you some more things. Just remove the clips from there, please. Here you will find some clips. I will show you these are the ropes. I will show you later how you will use these ropes. And these clips, like you will find some clips. One clip you have to insert here. Okay, this one like this on the ground here, and you can use one more if you want to, like this. Okay, so you have to use these all the corners here. Okay, 2 here and 2 this side like this, and this side as well like this. You have to like this, and one extra for this one also. Like here I will show you the cover, and like this. Okay, and these ropes you can use for extra safety. Just tie here, and from like here you can use the rope like this. So in the same way you can install your tent